Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money, you haven't quite hit your goal yet, I'm going to help you. I'm going to keep you updated daily on the news that moves the markets, Bitcoin analysis, altcoin setups to help you make some profits. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin, 1 hour Bitcoin chart. So essentially Bitcoin bulls need to push this price higher. Just watching this trend line, as long as Bitcoin can stay above and continue to respect this trend line, looking for further upside, at a point where this breaks lower, obviously we're looking at some downside targets. However, Bitcoin's been very strong. You've got some hidden bullish divergence down here on the stochastic. Just had a bullish stochastic cross, and this is a 1 hour time frame, so this is a smaller time frame. But these are the targets that we're looking at going forward: 29,726, 30,000, $30,000 Bitcoin. Are you ready? There's going to be a bunch of sellers up in that area. 30,000 is going to be an important overhead resistance, psychological resistance, round numbers, psychological resistance for Bitcoin. So again, watching this trend line to make sure it holds for the bulls. The only concern that we've talked about in the past is this bearish divergence that exists on the 8 hour time frame, some of the higher time frames. Okay, so you've got your high and then a higher high. However, you've got a high and lower high on the histogram, high and then lower high on the RSI, as well as the stochastic. So what does this mean? This means that the bulls need to push this price higher, and it will drag these indicators higher. It will drag the indicators higher, and then it would match up. Otherwise, when there's a pullback that's confirmed, you're looking for a significant move to the downside based on this idea. So the bulls have to show up. This price will continue higher. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person just made my day today. Made my year, really. He said, Happy New Year's. I made some initial profits, thought it was amazing. However, I'm now in a Bitcoin trade up about $100,000. I'm pushing myself more every day. He had a brain injury, suffered 5 years ago. He used to be the top salesperson where he worked. He couldn't perform his work, his role at his job any longer, and he took a job as a car parking assistant. And then he said, I've got a family, and now I trade full time. I see my family a whole lot more. I've started to make life-changing money. I love my new life, and the freedom is priceless. Listen, it's amazing to see people come in the group like this gentleman. He's never traded before. If you want to change your life forever, if you're tired of working for somebody else, I can help you. I've got 48 videos in a playlist that will blow your mind. It will teach you how to trade this market. Same way I learned. This person, today's profit and loss, he made $815. He said, I remember struggling in the beginning. Everybody, when they join the group, they're struggling. They join the group because they're, not very good traders. They're making losses, right? So he said, he said, watch the videos. I quit my job, and now I do crypto full-time. That's what it's all about, crypto full-time. This person, thank you for the DOT and Theta setup. I made $1,200 in 2 days. Bull run ready. This person... and I'm going to talk about ZEC, XMR, and Dash. There is some negative news that came out for Bittrex as far as they're being delisted. A lot of the privacy coins pulled back. Well, this gentleman, as soon as I posted the news, he put about $400 into the short for Zcash, and you can see his return on investment right here, $1,000. So again, huge gains in the trading group. If you want to join the trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with crypto for 6 months or 12 months right now, it's 50% off. Do you guys remember the Theta USDT setup that I gave you? Buy the bull pennant breakout with all the targets? Well, you should, because 13,964 people saw this on December the 30th. Theta. Huge gains, 49% gains in a couple days. This pennant broke out and killed it. Theta has been on fire. Remember, when these coins go into price discovery, sky's the limit. I'm going to give you, I've got a setup for you with price discovery as an outlook. And I've got another setup for you, a coin that could hit $80,000 to $100,000 in 2021. You're not going to believe it. It's pretty epic. CRV, buy the breakout of this level. Buy the breakout of this. I mean, you got a breakout and then a bull flag, which is a retest, right? Boom, move to the upside. CRV, 25% gains. 25% gains in 2 days. This is Uniswap. Gave this to you guys on multiple occasions. Talked about it. Talked about, Uniswap. I mean, this coin has a ton of potential. I mean, it's the top decentralized exchange. This thing is going to explode. I think we see $12 to $15 Uniswap by June of this year. Uniswap, boom, 25% gains based on this idea. I gave this to you guys. Now, Fun. So everybody saw Fun pumping crazy. Funfair pumping crazy. This person actually in my trading group posted, he said, Fun, got this huge run up and then massive sell-off, only in crypto. He said Fun has not been so fun if you bought the top. I got a setup for you on Atom, Cosmos. They've got the Althea Network mainnet with Peggy scheduled for January 2021. So, end of the month, this is a news catalyst for Atom coming up. So I'm going to give you guys this setup right now. Atom right here. This is buy the breakout of this level. You can get there's an aggressive buy idea. It comes back, it pulls back down here to this trend line. And that's a good buying opportunity because look, it's bouncing off this trend line every time. Bouncing. Okay. So you can either buy the breakout at this level, and all the levels are over here, right? Pause the screen. Aggressive buy on a retrace to this lower trend line, looking for that bounce again. Potentially play this move from $5 to $6.20, right? Or buy the breakout of this level, right? Looking for about $8.80 out of Atom. And then you got the news catalyst. So you got a bullish pattern and a news catalyst. Watch Atom. Now you look, it's running out of room here. Potentially in the next week, we'll see this breakout to the upside. Remember, every time I talk about an altcoin setup, it's always dependent on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has to cooperate, right? Also here, you got a golden cross. It actually just happened. So the 50 is crossing bullish above the 200. So golden cross on Atom. So this is the news I was talking to you about. Bittrex came out pending market removals, January 15th, 21. You see, they've got Monero, Zcash, and Dash are going to be delisted. These privacy coins going forward, you just have to think with all the regulations happening in crypto, especially in the United States. Like, you're going to see potentially more of this. What do you guys think about it? I'm curious to hear your comments in the comment section. So this is the weekly Bitcoin chart. And you can see Bitcoin's just taken off, right? This looks very similar to this situation. You know, is Bitcoin going to, are we going to get that pullback? Are we going to get that dip, that last opportunity to buy Bitcoin before it just explodes to 100,000, 150,000? Remember, this is dip buying season. Dollar cost average into the dips. Increase your buys as it heads lower. At some point, completely normal to think that Bitcoin pulls back. However, some type of blow off top would be in the cards short term, right? Some type of massive move to the upside, and then a sell off. Then altcoin season starts. And just to show you, an influx of cryptocurrency whales are flooding exchanges with stablecoins. They're ready to buy. I mean, they could be buying Bitcoin, but these altcoins are starting to turn around. A lot of the alt BTC pairs starting to take off. Just to show you, I mean, you can see, look at Binance, 40%, 30%, 30%, 29, 28, 27, 25, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, pages and pages and pages of double-digit green coins. Altcoin season, anybody? Listen, Bitcoin takes off and blasts to the upside. Alt BTC pairs get wrecked, but these coins have been hit so hard that these initial bounces, man, I mean, this is in a day, 20, 23, 25, 30% gains on these altcoins. Are you serious? So this is what you've got to make sure and get up to speed for. Have your altcoin positions kind of planned out. Where are you going to enter? You know, if Bitcoin does pull back, where are you going to add to your portfolio? And I'm going to give you some ideas of some projects to look at, some charts to look at in the video as well. Go over and follow me on Twitter, cryptobtc_Chris. So with Theta, right, after I talked to you guys about it, I said on Twitter, here, because I can post it in a second. Here, watch Theta. It was just breaking out. 49% gains after this breakout. I said, hey, watch Theta. Posted shortly after the video that I did on YouTube, right? I can keep you guys updated over here. Follow me on Twitter. PureVPN. So if you guys want to use Binance, you're in the United States, there's Binance International link in the description. PureVPN link in the description. Right now it's 86% off if you sign up for PureVPN. Also, make sure to turn on your VPN kill switch, right? And you have to have it obviously on your phone as well, right? Aave. Okay, so I gave you guys the setup the other day. It's obviously Aave is broken above this resistance level. Now you're getting some type of little flag. We're looking for a breakout here shortly. Okay, so again, move to the upside. You want to see it break $88. Next stop's going to be $95. If $95 breaks out, remember, this is just like data. This is just like Link had when Link ran to $20. This price discovery happens up here. And I'm looking at $117, $116 Aave when this explodes. Okay, keep an eye, Aave USDT. Yearn Finance could be coiling up for a rally. Analysts eye 27,000. I think 27,000 is completely doable. I think in 2021 we will see. This is realistic. This is the reason why you watch this channel. Realistic profit ideas. $100,000 YFI, I think. Somewhere between $80,000 and $100,000 for YFI next year. I think that's a conservative estimate. I mean, basically, we're looking at 4x gains. 4x gains for YFI. Now, you guys remember, we bought YFI way down here at around 11,000. You know, so we've pretty much doubled our money on this. But here's the YFI setup I want you to watch. You've got this bull pennant, right? Falling wedge. When this breaks out to the upside, you're looking at 30,000, 34,000, 39,000, 43,000. And again, I think there's a ton of upside here over the course of 2021. Don't miss YFI. So again, Bittrex, just to kind of recap on this, they stopped trading on these privacy coins. All the privacy coins take a hit. This is Some people are calling it drastic action. This has kind of been an undertone, something that we know is on the horizon for a lot of these privacy coins, just based on the Financial Action Task Force, which they announced all these new money laundering type measures. And so now Bittrex has delisted these coins. So what does this mean for privacy? I mean, when you think about privacy coins, I mean, Dash has some privacy characteristics, but again, like they're after these privacy coins, right? And so just kind of keep your eye. If you're a big holder of any of these coins, like it's going to affect liquidity. These coins pulled back today, and you can see down here that Monero's down 12%, Zcash is down 11%, Dash is down 10%. Again, this guy played it perfect, shorted Zcash as soon as I posted that news. Hackers stole 120 million via 15 DeFi hacks in 2020. And there's always risk, right? There's always risk to anything in crypto. The smaller the altcoins, the newer the altcoins, this is just part of it. But the rewards can be life-changing. And so just don't be top heavy. And if you are 100% all in XRP, something bad happens. Where does that leave you? Like, you want to diversify. Number one, you don't want to be all in crypto. You want to have you definitely want to have money on the sidelines. You want to have money invested in real estate, the stock market. You want to be diversified as a whole, right? But I guess the idea and the goal here is to get you to spread out your risk, right? Risk, spread out, you want to hold some Bitcoin. Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're not going to come out. They're not going to get pegged as securities. It's not going to happen, right? The SEC has already said they're decentralized enough. They're not securities. And so those are going to be your core holdings, and then kind of move to these altcoins. And don't go all in like these tiny new DeFi coins either. Just any altcoins, right? Spread your risk around. Don't have 90 coins where you can't manage them. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.